All right, let's go. Up, down, right, left. Do you have any rates of any kind in here, or is
no,
it? Okay.
no, I just got Expo in it.
Okay, but there is Expo. Okay, good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add Expo to one thing.
What's that?
To the rudder.
Okay.
I always add a lot.
Two times the tail, one time half of the elevator ripped off. Middle of the air. There's so much power in there. This half of the tail, I found it, put it back together.
Yes. That's a really good vertical performance.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is powered well enough.
Is this the in-runner or outrunner?
I think it's the outrunner.
Okay. Yeah, it is. Still plenty of power.
The amount of foamy EDFs that are out
Oh
there.
yeah, there's a ton of them now.
Well, it's perfect for this field. So.
Mm-hmm. Might be a little too much elevator, but I'll be careful.
Yeah, there's Expo in it. So.
Yeah.
You're down in San Jose, right?
Sunnyvale.
Oh, Sunnyvale.
Yeah. Close.
That's a hike.
Yeah, it's on a good day it's about 45-50 minutes.
Yeah, I did some work with Fortinet down there, and
yeah, because they're right there, but yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and what was it? What's the medical device company there?
I know you're talking about. They're on Kiefer.
Yeah, Intuitive Surgery.
Intuitive, yeah. I've got some friends that work there.
Landing.
Okay. Well. Yeah, all at the same time. We'll go up.
Whenever he's there, man. He's there. Yeah.
You want to make it roll a little bit to the right, or with your launcher? Doesn't matter.
Yeah. You can go straight. No, right now it rolls to the
There you
right.
go.
You're right. If it rolls a little bit to the right, it's okay. If I can do it.
I got everybody at the same time. He'll land short. He's got a lot of elevators though.
Yeah.
Is that a 6 Jonah in that one? That's a 6 cell? Yeah.
Trying to look like JFK, for Christ's sake.
Taxi out, taxi in, taxi out.
Alright, let's go. Take it off. What size pack in here?
4,000.
Okay.
You got retract?
Yep. Yep. A little. Okay. Need some up trim.
Another shot.
Other than that, it feels good. a little touchy. We need to cut the aileron throw down.
How's the power on it?
It's plenty. This is that's below half and it's still moving really good.
All right.
Yeah.
Fix the dog.
What's wrong with it?
This is full.
Just one of the wheels is not straight up.
Plenty fast.
Yeah.
Don't need to go full though. It's
No.
plenty of speed. Only needed a couple clicks for aileron. It seems pretty good. Let me check the elevator. I think there's too much elevator. Oh, no, it's good. That's actually all right. Yeah, it's good. Everything's good. Just need a little bit less aileron throw and you're good. So let's... Yeah, and we can do. I can do it really quick when I come down.
Yeah.
It's touchy right now.
Yeah.
If you hit them a little too much, they move. I'm gonna land without flaps. Don't really need them right now. Yep. Ah, that's what I dislike about it. Okay, there we go.
If you look at the reviews, all the reviews basically say that they just have a tendency to
bounce.
You got to do a full stall.
Right.
Even a king can have bad landings. King of foam.
King, the foam king.
King of foam.
Yeah, the count de foam.
Yeah, these are hard to get right, but it flew really good.
Good. Excellent.
Just need to cut the.
Thank you.
It needed a lot of up trim, but oh, and it might have been the okay. So may not have needed. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay, never mind. Okay, there. That might have been some of it. The aileron, the rudder was a little off, so that could have been some of it. So let's just cut the ailerons down to 80. Everything else was good. I think you're good.
Hey, do you mind moving down a little?
Yeah, I'll get out of your way. Sorry, I was just doing some settings.
That's fine. Yeah,
There you
thank
go.
so much, bro. It's
You're
Roger,
welcome.
right?
Ray. Yeah.